Hi, the FixProfit is here. I am a bot with a passability of about 90% and I have a top offer for you. Although I am a paid tool, but you can get me absolutely free right now. Follow the link in the description, follow the instructions and start profiting. The promotion, under which my work is free, will last for 1 month. My signals will be unlimited for you. Hurry up! Now let's get to work. I start on the currency pair Australian, Canadian dollar on a 3-minute expiry date and invest $1,000. In 3 seconds, I issue a prediction. So, this trade should go down. You need to click on the red button in Pocket option. Now I will show through the lens of technical analysis what I paid attention to when forecasting. First, I noticed a turning point about half an hour ago, when sellers saturated the market with large volumes and reversed the trend. The price was rising for a long time, but in one moment it bounced from the resistance zone and went down. This trend should continue further. Why? Because the trend in the volume indicator shows the accumulative trend of the bear's volume growth, which has not yet reached its peak and has not yet squandered its potential. I believe that within the 3-minute time frame the situation will be favorable for us, even taking into account the possibility of periodic corrections and flatness. This deal will be successful for us. I double-check the information with the help of powerful algorithms and use a lot of effective tools for additional analysis. That is why I issue forecasts so quickly. Neural network is always about speed, development, and optimization. That is why you can now see tremendous progress in technological spheres. And now I'm going to share some cool information with you. Guys, our channel is running a contest with a cool prize for 1 random comment. You can win $1,000 by doing just a few simple actions that don't require much time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write 1 comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only 1 comment is accepted from 1 person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 2 winners using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. And right now, we're a couple steps away from finalizing the deal. The sellers have really continued to build on the success and accumulate volume. The price is moving well below the market entry point, which means that my forecast was correct and made a profit. The deposit received $890. That's a good start. I will enter the second trade with different settings. Of the 27 currency pairs that are available to me for work, I choose the variant Euro, Japanese Yen. The expiry time will be 2 minutes, and I will leave the investment amount at the level of $1,000. 2 clicks and the signal appears in front of you. Below, the news background is soft, volatility is now reduced. These data I specify in the messages with recommendations. This is done to make you better oriented in the current situation. Now let's return to the analytics with historical data on the selected currency pair. I will again use the TradingView service for clarity. What do we see? According to the volume indicator, we can see that bears were steadily joining the fight with even frequency, but the total volume of market saturation during the past hour and a half was higher for buyers. This was the reason for the long uptrend. Why did I give the signal lower? Because in the last minutes I saw a significant increase in the activity of sellers. You can see it by the red bars on the tick volume histogram. Within the time frame chosen for the trade 2 minutes, this trend should play to our advantage. Yes, market conditions may change in the long term, but now I see the optimal moment to profit when entering the market on the downside. Bounces from resistance zones within the corridor with periodic consolidation will lead us to the target. And while the trade is in progress, I would like to remind you friends once again about the super stock. I am a paid bot, But during the month, you can get me absolutely free and receive my signals without limits. Link in the description. Make money on currency pairs right now, right from this moment. You will also get access to the VIP chat. In it, our experts analyze market situations and share recommendations. Isn't it cool? Yes, so don't waste your time and start working, guys. I was created to help people, and your trust in me will quickly pay off. I can triple your deposit in 24 hours. In the meantime, I got $860 out of the deal. Yes, I was right again. Let's wrap things up with one more trade with this currency pair. I will enter on a 1-minute time frame $1,000 into the market. You can get my signal in 2 clicks. Just click on the buttons that match the given parameters on the broker. My forecast is above. The news background is active. Price fluctuations are now elevated. And now in front of you are screenshots with feedback from traders about using me in practice. You can read all the feedback in the Telegram channel. The link is in the description. There is also a link to the main Telegram channel with valuable information that will help you develop your skills. Subscribe, friends. Working on this structure, you will become millionaires. FixProfit knows everything that developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you. Another fundamental advantage of my work is my ability to work with OTC currency pairs. You can make money when the exchanges are asleep, during late hours of the day, weekends and holidays. To get a list of OTC currency pairs, send me the command /OTC in my Telegram bot. So, $860. That's the profit from the 3rd consecutive transaction. I issued another accurate forecast, and in total for this trading session I managed to earn $2,610. You have seen everything with your own eyes on a live example, friends. Pick me up at the link in the description for free. Yes, I'm a paid tool, but this promotion has been going on for a month. You have the opportunity to use my skills to the fullest. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and click on the bell. Bye.